Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of James Bond Bitcoin Live, episode 168. Am I right on that? I'm going to have to check that here. I'm not sure. It's been a long time since I've done a James Bond Bitcoin Live. I have to tell you, I'm having way too much fun with my electric bike here. Let me see, 160. No, it's 169. I'm gonna have to change the title here to 169. Matter of fact, let me just go ahead and do that. 169. There we go. We'll go ahead and save those changes. There we go. All right. We'll just go ahead and do that. Anyways, get back to the live stream here. I don't know if anybody's even going to watch. It's been a long time since I've been doing this. And I started a little early as well. Not because, well, because tomorrow I have a busy day. I got to wake up early. I get to take one of my children to the dentist before school, the other one to school, come back and pick up my other child who has braces now, and basically take that child to school. And I still want to get my ride in. I actually have to go stop several different places, and then eventually ride my bike, and then pick up my other child, pick up my youngest from pre-K. So very busy. So all right, so it's episode 169. We're at 169. Hashtag swimming. Man, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Whenever you feel down, things are getting hard, or you want the price to go up, the price of Bitcoin to go up, just close your eyes and sing, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Cross your fingers while you're at it too, and just think positive thoughts, think happy thoughts, and you'll start flying. Anyways, let's go in the notes section here. Let's see what we have. I have the bond trading view. I still have that list of top 58 coins and tokens compared to Bitcoin percentage and all-time high flagged for shorts. No news because I've been too busy to even care about what's going on in Bitcoin, because most likely there's probably not too much going on, but I'm sure there is. I'll go over crypto. I'll go over the Coinspectator, real-time cryptocurrency news aggregator. I'll also go through CryptoPanic, is a news aggregator platform indicating impact on price and market for traders and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. I also have the "It's time to stop" meme. So I guess people stop forking Bitcoin. But now they're forking Litecoin and Monero and Neo and Dash, and I don't know. They're forking all the other coins now to bump up their price to get people to buy into them, to get free forked coins. My goodness, what is going on with this world? I also heard that Cryptopia is having a hard time withdrawing. I'm not sure which coin, but some coins are being very difficult to withdraw. Usually when you have an issue with withdrawing your cryptocurrency from an exchange, that's bad news. Anyways, next in the notes section, I have relatively important websites that you might want to check out. SegWit Charts, CoinCodex, LivecoinWatch, CoinGecko, Bitinfocharts, Johoe Mempool statistics. I'll be going over the mempool of Bitcoin as well as the Bitcoin fees, and I might do a chart analysis. I'll do a quick chart analysis. I got to wrap this up in about an hour, or maybe even less. What else do I have? Salome.io, Transaction Accelerator, Bitcoin Cash Hashrate, historical chart 6 months. I haven't really checked those out. You know, let's face it, Bitcoin Cash is not doing too much. Bitcoin's not really doing too much. So why would I expect Bitcoin Cash to do any better? All right, next in the notes section, it's been a while. I know it's been a while, but were you involved in BitConnect and you would like to sue BitConnect or any of their promoters? Well, class action complaint, BitConnect, there's a link to the actual complaint. Here's an article, BitConnect hit with second lawsuit over Ponzi allegation, as well as the actual link to the lawsuit complaint. And another one, in this article, U.S. court freezes BitConnect assets as lawsuits mount. Now, the problem with that is all BitConnect owns is maybe a computer, a desktop computer running Windows 98 with their trading bot, a printer, and maybe an office desk and an office chair. That's the extent of their asset. And I have the link to the actual documents, court order to freeze BitConnect's assets. And then finally, I have James Bond Bitcoin Live 00117, where I interview 3 BitConnect users. And special appearance by Ozzy the BS Filter, who actually I seen do in another video. I've unsubscribed to him, so I was tired of looking at his bald head. But it turns out he put a rag on his head. He put a do-rag on his head to cover his baldness, that shine that he had. But I actually saw him on Crypto Blood's channel. That guy is just desperate for attention. He's gone from a bald-headed used car dealer to now a toupee-wearing, hair transplanting, nutsack hair transplanting, attention whore. That guy just literally wants to be relevant in this space. I don't understand him. Anyways, he should go back to selling cars. Next in the notes section here. Next in the notes section, I have the video theme for this video. Finding Nemo, just keep swimming. Everyone, cross your fingers, close your eyes, and think positive thoughts. The price of Bitcoin is going up. Will it continue to go up? Cross your fingers. And whenever you feel down, just sing, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, and just keep swimming. Maybe we'll hit all-time highs by the end of this year. What is it? What's the prediction? Like 50,000, 100,000, 500,000, a million? What's the prediction for this year for the price of Bitcoin to be at the end of this year for 2018? Well, cross your fingers and hope to die and pray to, if you don't believe in any God, then just pray to your non-existent God that you don't believe in. But if you do believe in some kind of super higher being or power or God, you can pray to that God. All right, so next I have hashtag yes2x140. I can't believe I made 140. I made a little bit more than 140 memes. Hashtag yes2x. Well, where is my SegWit 2x coin I've been waiting for, which never seemed to have happened? What happened? I could tell you what happened. We all been duped. We all been lied to, bamboozled, tricked, and dumped on. Anyways, next in the notes section is a link to the Bitcoin pot of gold. That's still going on. I haven't even checked if anybody donated. I think someone did, but I'd like a couple more donations. Let's get it up there. Then I'll give away the 13th clue to the 13th word of the 24-word mnemonic seed. I have a link to the meme of the Bitcoin pot of gold, as well as the donational address. It's also in the notes section, so feel free to donate. It is a SegWit wallet. So all you people who are big SegWit believers, or even if you don't believe in SegWit, go ahead and donate. And just like all the things in cryptocurrency, everybody gives up their money, and one person walks away with it all. All right, so let's see if anybody is anybody out there. All right, I see Patrick, how you doing? Let's go into the. Oh, I'm gonna have to refresh. So let's see who's all in the live chat. It's been a while since I've done some live streams. Patrick from Acapulco. Oh, you coming from Acapulco? I talked to Roger Ver both in person and on stage. Well, good for you. Maybe you could tell him to shut the fuck up and you know, tone it down with the whole Bitcoin Core and Bitcoin Cash thing. Tell him to, you know, do his own thing and leave everybody else alone and stop stealing a brand that he didn't create. All right. Tell him to stop hijacking Bitcoin. He should be grateful that he has Bitcoin Cash or Bcash or whatever he wants to call it, and run with that. I don't think anybody's adopting it. This guy is back. I'm back for a little bit. It won't be too long. I'm actually having too much fun with my Rad power bike, both of them, the Rad Mini and the Rad Rover. Actually, I ordered some fenders for my Rad Mini, so I'm waiting for that to come in. Eventually, when the rack of the Rad Rover is available, I'll be ordering that. Then I'll be having a lot more fun. Well, I won't be having a lot of fun. I'll be transporting a lot of stuff. Glad to see you, James and Patrick. Good to see you, Dual Red Camnus. Just spent a week in Acapulco. You know, I would never go to any of that stuff. I don't even like going to Bitcoin conferences. I wonder what scam they're pitching to you, or what scam they're pitching you. I should change this to live chat. I don't know if that makes any difference. No, it doesn't. Anyways, thank you guys. I got 2 people in the live chat. Good to see you. Close your eyes. Just keep swimming, everyone. Just keep swimming. That's the theme this week. Close your eyes and just keep swimming no matter what happens. Just keep swimming through all that. All right, so let's go next in the notes here. All right, so I'll go over the news aggregator. I like the CryptoPanic. Let's go over CryptoPanic. Let's just refresh it real quick. Let's see what nonsense is going on in this world. Let's see here. What's going on? Liberland. My God, Liberland is still. Anybody know what Liberland is? Liberland is like somewhere between what, Croatia and Serbia or something like that. It's some land that nobody wants, right? And nobody wants to claim, but nobody wants to really give up. And so some guy who's into Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, basically it's just a swampland, right? It's a swampland. He went in there and he just claimed it because it was kind of like a part of Croatia, Serbia at one point, and then, you know, nobody wanted it, you know, and so he went in there and he started claiming it, and I think it's on the Serbia side, and they kicked this guy out. And basically, it's just a swampland park, national swampland park. There's nothing there, and you know, he's claiming to be like the president or the leader of Liberland. What a joke! But let's see what's going on. Economist Vit Jelika has created a virtual state called Liberland that runs on cryptocurrency donations and will launch its own token in the coming months. What a surprise! The guy needs to raise some money, so he's gonna do essentially an ICO, but it's gonna be a donation only. It says here donation, all right? 500,000 people have applied for citizenship to the nation. Okay, to the swampland. Is that what they're talking about? 500,000 people have applied. Like what 500,000? I'm waiting for 500,000 people to give up their citizenship to go to this so-called swampland to live there, which there's no infrastructure, there's no road, there's no nothing. I think there's a river and some lakes. It's basically a swamp, and let them try to live there. So let me see. 500,000 people have applied for citizenship to the nation, quote unquote nation, which sits on the sandbank stretching 7 kilometers next to the Danube River between Croatia and Serbia. That's right. 10 kilometers south of, well, if you want to read more of this nonsense, go ahead, check that out. Let's see what else. What other news can we just talk about? All right, how about this one? Bitcoin surpasses 10,000 mark in strong crypto market rebound. Wow. All right. What a week of rebound. If you can, I think 10,000 is, I guess if you want to call that a rebound, sure. I mean, we were at an all-time high of almost 20,000, or essentially 20,000. Now we've rebounded to 10. I think we're at 11 something. I'll do a chart analysis here. I think we're hitting close up to that resistance trend line. It'll be interesting to see what happens. If it can break it, that's great. I'll be really excited when we can go back up to 20,000 and perhaps hit my target of 21,000. That's more ideal. That's when I'll start celebrating. Rebound to 10,000. I mean, we're halfway up to the all-time high. That's not much to celebrate, but that seems more like a downtrend to me. Let me see. What else is going on here? What other nonsense? Here's something here. Bangladesh authorities trying to Bangladesh authorities trying yet failing to curb cryptocurrency use. Not surprising. Not surprising at all. Poland's central bank sponsors secret cryptocurrency slander campaign. The National Bank of Poland has admitted to carrying out a $30,000 campaign. I don't know if that's US dollar or Polish dollars, but carrying out a $30,000 campaign on the subject of cryptocurrency using any social media platform. The campaign resulted in controversy rages about a couple of YouTube videos that are less than flattering about the economic viability of cryptocurrencies. Marcin Dubiel, a Polish YouTuber with more than 1 million subscribers. I've heard about this. I haven't seen it, nor do I care. I mean, who really cares about YouTubers talking about cryptocurrencies? I think there's a lot of YouTubers out there who are just full of it. Why you would listen to them makes no sense to me. If you listen to any YouTuber out there about cryptocurrencies, you're an idiot. All right, you're an idiot. But thank you for watching my show. I appreciate that. All right, so let's go on to the next here. This is coming from Cointelegraph. Don't believe the hype. The 5 largest ICO exit scams. All right, that's probably a good article to read. Let's try to find some with some symbols, and let me see here. I think I've seen one. Okay, here's the one on Cryptopia, or what I like to call Craptopia. Cryptopia is having some serious problems. Upvote for exposure. This is coming from the R cryptocurrency from the Reddit forums. Craptopia is having a ton of problems processing withdrawals. That doesn't sound so good. Myself and many others have been trying to withdraw ZCL. What is that? Is that what is that? Z Classic? Is that Z Classic or something? In preparation for fork in 9 days. Is this the B private BS? The Z Classic going to turn into B private or Bitcoin private? Nonsense, man. Anyways, Z Classic in preparation for the fork in 9 days, and way too many of the withdrawals have been processing or pending for a long time. Cryptopia is doing an awful job communicating. I'm demanding an update on these issues. What's the problem? Well, I could tell you what the problem is. The problem is you're trading on a exchange which everybody affectionately calls Cryptopia. That's the problem. Anyways, 29 important, 9 bullish, 4 bearish, 7 likes, 1 dislike, 1 lots of laugh, and 1 save. Okay, good one. Let's see. Oh, this is interesting. This is the first time I see Mempool dominance dropping. Is Mempool dropping in their dominance with Bitcoin mining? Is Mempool leaving the Bitcoin space now? What's going on? This is interesting. Let me see what else. What else is going on here? My goodness, I've been out of it. I've been having too much fun on my electric bike that I don't even really care about keeping up to date on Bitcoin, because as long as, you know, the price is kind of rebounding, but is it really rebounding? 10,000 or 11,400. B Silence or B Slice, good to see you. Is it really rebounding? Nah, meh. I don't know. All right, so let's go to Coinspectator. So let's go check it out. All right, let's see what's going on with Coinspectator. Let me see here. Elliott Management, a 34 billion hedge fund, described cryptocurrencies as one of its most brilliant scams in history. Wow. Wow, okay. Asian altcoin trading roundup. Well, let me go into the note section here. So B Slice, you're saying you think Mempool is dropping because of the Lightning Network? Maybe. I mean, maybe they're shifting all their focus into Bcash or Bitcoin Cash and mining Bitcoin Cash over there. They may be also developing mining rigs for Litecoin and what else? Ethereum and Dash and whatever. Maybe they're building different mining equipment for other coins now. It'd be interesting to see how these mining manufacturers and mining farms. I think a lot, just like the cryptocurrencies, they started with Bitcoin, and eventually they've gone to other altcoins and everything. Mining will probably be the same, and wouldn't surprise me that, you know, Mempool and Bitmain start producing mining rigs for different cryptocurrencies. They're going to start leaving Bitcoin, and it just happens. Like a lot of people, you know, who come here and first start at Bitcoin, and then they kind of get disgusted at the space and the people in the space, and they eventually, you know, splinter off and start going into other coins that are more suited to, I guess, their liking. I think Bitcoin's the starting point, but unfortunately, you know, Bitcoin attracts a lot of unsavory people, unfortunately. Eventually, everyone just goes into their own way, so to speak. See what else is going on. Liberland, a newly formed nation running on cryptocurrency. We've already seen that. What is this? Actor Steven Seagal endorses questionable Bitcoin ICO. This is, you know, we've hit the top of the market and it's about to go into a bear market when Steven Seagal starts endorsing cryptocurrencies. Actor Steven Seagal endorses questionable Bitcoin ICO. Okay. Action film star Steven Seagal, who I haven't seen in a movie in over 10 years now, has become the brand ambassador for a controversial cryptocurrency ahead of an initial coin offering, an ICO. A statement posted to Seagal's Twitter account confirmed the news. The announcement for which was posted to the official website of Bitcoin. Is that right? Bitcoin, or is it misspelled? BITCOIIN? Is that some kind of misspelling of a Bitcoin? Bitcoin ICO? This is ridiculous. So when I hear stories like this, I don't know. I think we've jumped the shark. Obviously, we have definitely jumped the shark. This is ridiculous. But okay. Looks like I haven't missed that much. Looks like the nonsense, the redonkulous nonsense going on in this space is continuing, even without me. Let me see. California bill would legally recognize blockchain data. Boring news. Looks like the same thing happening over and over again. Athena adds Bitcoin Cash support in all its ATM. All right. There we go. Athena adds Bitcoin Cash support in all its ATMs. Oh, wow. Now, if you want to buy Bitcoin Cash, you just go to Athena. Now, I don't know why you would do that, but let's continue to read this one. Bitcoin Cash has picked up another fan, this time with Athena Bitcoin. The move not only enhances the position of Bitcoin Cash, but could also indicate a warning interest in legacy Bitcoin by Athena. Wow. Well, I wonder how the whole market is. You know, I remember that ATM I saw at the mall, my local mall around here. Well, when the price was crashing, when it was crashing from 20,000 down to all the way to 6,000, I went to the mall to look for a bicycle seat and other stuff, but I didn't get anything. But I went there and I wanted to check out the Bitcoin ATM over there. It was turned off. All right. So obviously they had Bitcoin at a higher price, didn't want to sell some. It's a joke, but all right. Let's have a look. What else is going on? South Korea cryptocurrency regulator found dead at home. Whoa, this is good. Oh my goodness, this is juicy. Let's find this. All right. South Korean cryptocurrency regulator found dead at home. Was he killed or what's going on here? Let's read a little bit more on this. A South Korean official who guided Seoul's regulatory clampdown on cryptocurrency was found dead on Sunday. According to the government spokesman, Jong Ki-jun, 52, was head of economic policy at the Office of Government Policy Coordination. He helped coordinate efforts to create the new legislation aimed at suppressing cryptocurrency speculation and illicit activity. Wow. Wow. You know, I don't know. I don't know if you can say this is good news or bad news, but I guess you have to say regulators beware. Regulators beware. You mess with the Bitcoin, you get the horns. Uh, whatever you do, do not forsake Bitcoin. All right, don't forsake Bitcoin. Yeah, this is interesting. This is from the Wall Street Journal as well, so I think it's pretty reliable. The timing on this, pretty creepy, isn't it? The creepiness, and you know, it's what was funny was I think a few days ago was like the new year for all the Asian countries, so they were celebrating the new year, and this guy's found dead. It doesn't say how he died. Maybe he died of a heart attack, or who knows. He looks pretty young in this picture. Interesting. Another good you know, people usually die when there's a bear market. Have you noticed that? The last bear market, so many people were dying. It was ridiculous. Like Bitcoin enthusiasts were dying. I remember a guy who was a Bitcoin enthusiast. He was riding his motorcycle and he got killed. He ran into a pole. There was a lot of other people who were into Bitcoin that also got mysteriously, quote unquote, died. Usually happens in a bear market for some reason. Don't know why. Let me see here. Here's another one. Shady cryptocurrency project brings on Steven Seagal for added shadiness. Man, Steven Seagal, he must be desperate for some money, man. I haven't seen him in a movie in a long, long time. Let's see what other good, juicy news we can find here. This is good stuff here, man. Well, that's it. That's it for me. I had enough of the news. You all can catch up with it. See for your... Oh, there's one more news story. Let's check it out. Maybe it's a good, juicy story. Oh, goodness. A problem with Jack's cryptocurrency wallet security. Tech Gauge. Is it? Oh, Jack's. Something's wrong with Jack's again. Again. Read the full story at bitcoinaltscoins.com. I don't have to read the story. I mean, the Jax just keeps having problems. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Anyways, that's it for me. Let's go on to the next thing here. Okay, let's go to the Bitcoin pot of gold. Bitcoin pot of gold. Please donate to the Bitcoin pot of gold. QR code on the left side here in the arrow pointing to the Bitcoin pot of gold. That is the donational address. Please donate so I can give away the 13th clue to the 13th word of the 24-word mnemonic seed. So one person can win it all. And if you're good at cracking codes or cracking passwords, here's the QR code for the encrypted private key. Go and take your Bitcoin wallet, scan it, and it'll ask you for a password. And if you can figure that out, all the Bitcoins are yours right now. And this QR code down here in the middle bottom, that is a link to Yellow Fever for You. He's the one that gave me this idea, so thank you, Yellow Fever for You. All right. Let's see what's next. Well, that's it. That is it. Let's see what you're all saying here. Let me refresh. Sorry if my computer is slow. My computer is slow, by the way. All right. Cue up the creepy music. Is it because that South Korean guy died? That South Korean regulator? I'm pretty sure that's mysterious. That is so mysterious. Maybe he ate some bad kimchi, and or he choked on some bad kimchi or good kimchi, and so that's why there's a kimchi premium. The kimchi premium will kill you. All right, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. So let's go over to Let's see here. What should we go to? On-chain FX. There we go. Let's go to the on trading view. All right, bond trading view. This is the bond trading view. This view created by James Bond Bitcoin Live. List of top 55 coins and tokens compared to Bitcoin percentage and all-time high. Flagged for shorts. Now, normally I would have them flagged for shorts right here. But what I'm going to do, hey, Boogers guy, how you doing? Welcome to the live chat. What I'm going to do is just show you how you can make your own shorts, or how I come up with it. I go to percentage down from all-time high, click on that, it puts me in order. Ooh, Ethereum Classic. Wow, Ethereum Classic is just moving up. It's been a while, man. Look at that. Coming back from the dead. Of course, that coin is nothing more than speculation anyway, but not bad. It looks like it made an all-time high. So if you have Ethereum Classic, you should dump it for Bitcoin. That's number one on the spot here. Number two on the spot is Syscoin. So go ahead and dump that. Number three is Lisk. Should definitely dump that for Bitcoin. Especially now Bitcoin's going up, everyone. Bitcoin's going up. So you should all dump all your coins for Bitcoin. If you actually did that the last time I made a video, all right, if you all dumped your altcoins and bought Bitcoin, you all made money. You all made money, very good money too. Number four is Neo. Go ahead and dump Neo and get yourself some Bitcoin because it might make an all-time high this year. 50,000, 100,000, 1 million. VeChain is number five. Dump that for Bitcoin. You should be dumping all these coins, in my opinion. Shorting them, dumping them, except for just to get more Bitcoin. Look at that. Bitcoin's on number 12 spot. Usually it's down a little bit lower, but hey, look at that. 43% from all-time high. Only 43% from all-time high. Where is Ethereum and all that? Well, anyways, wow, look at some of these coins. They're down 50%, 60% from their all-time highs, 70%, and they're still in the top 62%. Oh my God, Einsteinium down 86%. Wow. Why would I put my money in these altcoins? Like, just literally 3 months ago they were like the hottest thing. Now they're like you can't get rid of them fast enough. All right, let's go to Johoe Mempool statistics. Oh, there we go. All right, so let's see what's going on here with the Mempool. I think I've been checking it off and on, and I notice it is down quite a bit. Why is it not going? Why is this not working? Well, I don't know why. I have no idea why it's not showing up. But let me look on my smartphone. Maybe my smartphone can do a lot better. Dun dun dun! Something's going on. It's being spammed. Nobody wants to know what the mempool is right now because it's so low. So last time I checked, it was okay. So it's coming up, showing up on my smartphone. Why isn't it showing up on my computer? I don't want an emoji. Let me see here. What's going on here? Well, you're going to have to take my word for it. So let's have I'm looking at the mempool right now. It's less than 3,000 transactions. I'm sorry. 1 to 2 Satoshis per byte is in the 3,000 transaction. I think we're in the 5,000 transactions right now in the mempool. Essentially, if you do anything over 2 to 5 Satoshis per byte, you'll be doing good. You'll get your transactions in the mempool. Sorry about that. All I can tell you is that the mempool is very low and your transactions are very cheap right now. Okay, so let's go to let me see here. Let's go to a quick chart analysis then. That's a shame. I wanted to show you that. I could see it on my smartphone, and there was a huge spike yesterday, but today very low, very, very, very low. So look at the weekly. Wow, the price is above both the averages. It is looking good, but does that mean it is good? I don't know. I don't know. It's better. At least it didn't cross. But let's check it out. Let's check it out. Are we headed back to all-time highs? I don't know. On the hourly, man, this thing is awesome. Look at that, from 7,000 to almost 12,000. If you bought, literally, if you bought almost 2 weeks ago, since I stopped making videos, for the most part, you know, I've been riding on my bike so long. But then again, it's kind of known, and I'll show you why. This is on the 1 hour. Let's go on the 12 hour. If we just take this, if we just take a line right here, you could see that it's very close to at its resistance right there. Look at that, very close. So everyone is kind of, you know, it's already kind of known. This is where the resistance really is, at that trend line right here, trend line. So I don't see why anybody would be surprised. Now the question is this going to break? Let's see, where is it right now? We're very close. It's almost 11,625, somewhere around there. Very, very close to this. It may go up a little bit higher, maybe go a little bit lower, maybe right now, who knows? But this is it right here. This is going to be the test. So if you look here, you see the all-time high, lower high, or a high, the next high, and let's see if this is going to be a lower high. And if it gets rejected here, and then if it gets rejected here, expect to go below 6,000 is what I would say. So this is critical. You'll see the RSI is almost around 70 again. I don't know if it can really push up. It really has to break above that and then do these numbers right here, like go up to like almost 87, 88 right here as well. It has to like make these peaks on the RSI right here. Is it going to do it? Because it's broken down, and then it's come back here, and it's essentially currently right now it's just another lower high. It's a lower high. So you were getting 2 lower highs with an all-time high. This is critical point. Very, very dangerous right now. I don't know what to say. If I was trading, which I'm not trading, but I kind of am, I'm happy the price went up. But at the same time, I'm concerned because this is technically just a bounce from a low, which off of this low right here, $6,000 low. It doesn't mean we're in a recovery of any sorts. A recovery would mean the price would be above this all-time high, which is at what, 19,666. When the price is above that, that's when we're in a recovery. Until that happens, I'll be riding my rad power bike here. That's what I'm going to be riding, and I'm going to have a lot of fun doing it. I hope all of you have been watching my videos on that. I've been having tremendous amount of fun. I've got a lot of videos lined up for you. Hopefully, maybe some of you will actually get a little electric bike yourself and have some fun. I'm telling you, my legs are sore. I feel good. I feel like I can, like, literally, I'm biking all over the place, and I'm getting a good workout. If I got a regular bike, I'd be too tired. Anyways, let's go continue on here. Let's have a look at the 1 day. And we're getting really close, getting closer and closer. We're inching up and inching up. I wonder if it will actually do it, because it just barely crossed. You see the two average lines here, barely crossing. Well, does this mean that we're back? Not quite yet. Not quite yet. You know, not quite yet. But if it does break that line, it would be a good sign. But really, what would convince me if the price goes to 21,000. If the price goes up to 21,000, then yes, I think we're headed to 50,000 by the end of the year. If it doesn't take all year to do that, but if it can relatively hit 21,000 relatively soon, then yeah, maybe 50,000 by the end of the year is very, very reasonable. But it's got to break this line. It's got to break this hurdle. Let's have a look at the 3-day. Let's see, the 3-day, not quite. Although it is bouncing off of the shorter term moving average right here. You see that this candlestick right here is just bouncing off right off of that. But you still have the moving averages inverted. The shorter term moving average and the longer term moving average have not crossed over to the upside, and you're still right underneath, just right underneath this trend line. I think either today, tomorrow, the next 3 days, I think is going to be critical, very crucial here. This is going to basically tell you how the rest of the year is going to be, in my opinion, how the rest of the year is going to turn out. If it gets rejected here and the price starts crashing, expect a bear market for the rest of the year until at least 2020. If it breaks up higher, right? If it breaks up higher and then continue to go and make an all-time high, if it can go to 21,000, then you're looking at the return of the bull market. And it's kind of weird why it would do that, considering a lot of people, I don't know, maybe not, but you know, 2 more years until the halving. Supply is going to get reduced again. Could the bull market be sustained all the way through 2020 and beyond? I don't know. That'd be the first time that's ever happened, and I think in Bitcoin history, as far as I'm concerned, if I read the chart right, if I go back far enough, that something like that hasn't happened ever. So this is going to be a first. And then again, you know, we're at a point where over 80%, definitely over 80% of Bitcoin has been mined already. So we've never been in that situation before. So it could be possible, you know, you got some circumstances here which would allow a bull market continue through all the way up to the next halving and beyond, all the way up to 2020 and beyond. It's possible. But I would have to be a little skeptical about that, just a little. The only way to confirm it is to actually see what happens. Let's go into the 1 week. Let's have a look at that 1 week. 1 week kind of looks good. Kind of looks good. It looks like they're pointing upwards now. The two moving averages are looking a lot better. Looks like nothing ever really happened. Could it mean that nothing really did happen? This was just a simple correction and we're on our way back up? If that is the case, if you all feel that we are in a bull market again, you should just go ahead and buy all the Bitcoins right now, because if this is a bounce from a simple correction to make another all-time high, everybody should be buying Bitcoin right now. Everybody. But and it looks like some people have, because the price has gone up. But I wonder how long that will last, because this trend line is going to be, it will be tested. I could tell you right now, I think it's going to be tested. You know, 10,000, all right, not a problem. 11,000, nah, not a problem. But I think when we get closer to that $12,000 mark, I think that's the ultimate test, somewhere around 12,000 or wherever it is. Let's see. Let's go back on the 12-hour. Let's see where this thing is. Let's see what the price is right now. 11,665, 11,600 or 11,700, somewhere around there. So $300 more, and then a break above that. That would kind of give you a very, very early indication. Other than that, I don't know. It just, the price has moved so much, but this is Bitcoin after all. I mean, this is Bitcoin. Welcome to Bitcoin. Anyways, this is it here. This is all I have today. I'm not going to make it too long. I hope you all enjoyed a Bitcoin video, since it's been a while. Let's see who's out there. Sir Charles. Let's see. Let's go check out the live chat here. Let me refresh it. Chucky, how you doing, Chucky? Good to see you. Dill over at Camnus. The bear is back, and they totally redeemed themselves. I don't know. I mean, anything's possible, but I'm just a little skeptical of this recovery. When you hear people talk about the recovery and the price of Bitcoin's at 10,000, the all-time high was like literally 3 months ago of pretty much almost 20,000, and the price is 10,000, and people are saying this is a recovery. Seems kind of far stretched. Anyways, dual overhead Camnus, thank you for being in the live chat there. Let's close some of these out. Let's close some of this. Let's close that out. Let's close that out. Let's leave the meme here. So dual overhead Camnus, thank you for being in here. Crypto Cotter, good to see you. Not quitting yet. I just got here. Well, you got here for me to thank you for just getting here. You're going to have to watch the video. My videos are a little bit shorter. I got a lot of things to do tomorrow, like ride my e-bike and have fun. Matter of fact, I went shopping today. I went and bought some shorts, swimming shorts. That's what I'm going to be wearing. In the summer, there's no real spring in Houston. It just, like right now, it's about 70, 80 degrees. It's starting to get humid. I would say it's very pleasant. From this point on, I just start wearing swim shorts, and I wear swim trunks. I like to show off my sexy legs, my hairy, sexy legs, and they're kind of getting kind of thick from riding the bike. You know, it's getting really muscular. But I like the swim trunks with a 6-inch inseam, you know, and show off my sexy legs and everything. I bought some new shoes. I bought some like sneakers or tennis shoes at Walmart. What else did I get? I got What else did I get? I did get some Crocs. So I wanted to get some like summer shoes so I can ride on my bike and also take to the swimming pool with me. I'll be riding. I'm going to be taking my electric bike to the swimming pool. I'm going to be riding, sweating, get to the swimming pool. If I go to the new fitness center, they have a shower there, so I'll just take a shower after I go to the pool, ride on back home. I got some rain gear, so when it rains, I can still go out. I can do some off-roading, trailing. In the summer, it's pretty hot, so hopefully it'll be dry enough. The mud is killing my bike. I could tell you that. Having mud in your gear and on your chain kills it. So I won't be doing too much of that. I learned my lesson. I have a video on that. Watch out for that one coming. What else did I get? Shorts, shoes. And yeah, that's about it. That's about it. That's all I need. I got some other stuff I want to buy. I want to buy some more lights for my bike, headlights for my bike. What else am I thinking? Well, that's it for now. That's it for now. But CryptoCoder, it's good to see you. I'm glad you made it. B-Slice, dual overhead camness. Chucky, good to see you. Chuck E. Cheese, Boogers Guy, and of course, let's see, Patrick, good to see you. And thank you for everyone for coming and watching. Appreciate all you guys. So like, dislike, leave a comment after the live stream, or even do a video response. Until next time, everyone, stay tuned and just keep swimming, everyone. Close your eyes, fingers crossed. Just keep swimming. Because if the price goes back up, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm a millionaire again. See, I was a millionaire. Now I'm not a millionaire. If the price goes back up again, I'll be a millionaire again. Hey! Anyways, stay tuned for the next episode. I don't know when that's going to be, but watch my other videos. All right. Bye-bye now.